product review. This is my video review for LoadLifter. So let's start it. The first one is LoadLifter 57204 LoadLifter 5000 air spring kit. It's 2007 to 2018 GM 1500 pickup standards. Fits 2007 to 2018 shower roll GMC 1500 pickups. Does not fit 7 classic. Up to 5000 pound of load leveling. Work within the bed. Hatches easily installed in 2 hours or less. Air adjustable from 5 to 100 psi. Offering up to 5000 pound of load leveling capacity. The new LoadLifter Ultimate Plus Kit for airlift company will make throwing and pulling with your vehicle a comfortable and stress-free experience. Up to 5000 pound of load leveling capacity. Working with your existing suspensions. LoadLifter 5000 air springs increase your safety and comfort with the twin and hauling heavy load. LoadLifter air spring kits includes everything you need to easily install, usually in 2 hours or less. The second is LoadLifter 88204 LoadLifter 5000 Ultimate Air Spring Kit. Fit 2007 to 2018 GM 1500 pickups. Fits 2007 to 2018 Geo Roll GMC 1500 pickups. Up to 5000 pound of load leveling. Work with the bed. Hatches easily installed in 2 hours or less. Maintained free with the internal bump stop which drives can safely run with zero air pressure. Lifetime warranty with a 60-day ride satisfaction guarantee. Type vehicle specific. Offering up to 5000 pound of load leveling capacity. The new LoadLifter Ultimate Plus Kit for airlift company will make towing and hauling with the vehicle a comfortable and stress-free experience. Up to city plus an internal jounce bumper. Work with your existing suspensions. LoadLifter 5000 Ultimate Air Springs increase your safety and comfort with the towing and hauling heavy load. Exclusive air spring from airlift include a built-in jounce bumper to help absorb shocks and allow the spring to be safely run with the zero air pressure. The last one is LoadLifter 57289 LoadLifter 5000 Air Spring Kit. Up to 5000 lbs of load leveling capacity. Eliminates squat, trailer, saws, rough ride and bottoming out. Fits factory in a bed head system. Does not fit if vehicle is equipped with a factory air suspension. Never exceed manufacturer recommended GVW or the LoadLifter 5000 Air Suspension Kit. Fit many 1x2 into 3x4 and 1 ton pickup and vans to hold the big stuff. Perfect for commercial trucks, workers, ambulance, construction and utility trucks. Our air spring beef up your existing suspension